I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2007 Toyota Camry XLE 3.5 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light. I'm going to start up the vehicle. So I'm going to be resetting that maintenance required light. So I need to put that trip on to trip A. So I'm going to be pushing this button down until you see trip A. So now I'm going to turn the ignition off. So with one hand I'm going to be pushing down this trip button, and at the same time I'm going to be turning the ignition to the on position. On this one is going to be 2 clicks. Now it's resetting. So that's how you reset a maintenance light. So that's how you reset the maintenance light. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And I see you in the next video. Aloha.